Hello everyone, welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an image change when you move the mouse over it and then change back when you take the mouse off. So to get started, pop open your text editor. Where's my text editor? Oh, there it is, okay. Okay. So now, make an image. Image source equals image1.png. You're going to need two images, image1.png and image2.png, stored in the same directory as this file that we're making right now for this to work. ID equals cool, and that's it for now. So let's save this. Let's call it image change.html. Let's put it in this folder. And save. And to just see how that works, there's the directory where I saved it. Here are the two images. Drag this here. No, not in the search bar. Drag this here. And here we have the image. It doesn't do much. So, let's make it do much. Close this, we're not going to need it again. Open up the file, and let's give this page a title. Title, changing image. Close title tag. Okay. Now we're going to add some JavaScript using the script tag. Script. And we're going to make a function. The way you do this is you type function space and then the name of the function. I'm going to call it scrib. And then you do open parentheses and close parentheses, and I only meant for one R there. And then you open the squiggly brackets, and then you close the squiggly brackets, and then inside the squiggly brackets you put whatever you want the function to do. So what I'm going to have it do is I'm going to get this element, this image, by its ID, like this. Document.get element by ID, and then in here you put cool, because you can see down here that the ID of this image is cool, so you put cool inside of quotes, close the parentheses, and now you do dot set attribute, and what this does is it can change the attribute. Attributes are these things inside the tag. We're going to use set attribute to change the source attribute so that it goes to image 2 when you put your mouse over it. Set attribute source in quotes, comma, not in quotes, you don't put the comma in quotes, and then again in quotes, image2.png. Set parentheses, semicolon, and you've got yourself a function. So close the script tag, script, and save this. Now we have that function, but nothing's calling the function. So let's call the function ourselves using the handy URL JavaScript. JavaScript scrib. And then like open close parentheses and semicolon. The image changed. So we know our function works. Now, let's call it. So another attribute in this image tag is on mouse over. And what that does is when you move your mouse over it, it can call a function. So on mouse over equals scrib, open parentheses, close quotes. See? Save that. Do it in your browser again. Reload. Move my mouse over it, and it changes. Watch. See? Works quite well. But it doesn't do anything when I take my mouse away from it. So to do that, we're going to have to run another function. So you can just copy and paste this function if you're lazy. Like that. And then change two small things about it. Number one is the name. Let's call it unscrib. And number two is the source of the image. Let's take it back to image1.png. Now, let's save this. Reload this. Okay, it's been scribed. Now let's JavaScript unscrib, open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon. Oh, I had my mouse over it. Let's do that again without my mouse over it. And it goes away until I move my mouse over it. And then I can call the function again, and it'll go away again. But we want that to happen when you take your mouse away from the image, like put it over here. And there is an attribute for that. The event is on mouse out equals, in quotes, unscrib, open parentheses, close quotes. And what that will do is when you move your mouse away from it, it'll call this unscrib function. So save that, reload in your browser. Okay, so we scribbled all over the image. Now let's unscribble it. It works. This is fun. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to learn how to do something, because I'm running out of ideas, and so I would love to make someone's request. Yeah, thanks for watching. How do I stop recording?